Making sales online shouldn't be difficult. The things that typically make it difficult are the tools that we're using. And if we're using tools that are making our lives more difficult, then that's going to stop us from being able to actually make the sale. So in this video, I'm going to show you one method using a single tool that will increase your conversions. Now, if you ever post a YouTube video or any video online, you can use that as a really attractive way to sell better. Now, let's pretend that you're an affiliate. And in this video, I'm promoting a software. Once I've posted this video, I can go ahead and take the URL of the video. I can go into cleversaletool.com, go over to the Pages tab and click on Create Your First Page. Now, in this page, I'm going to say something like AI video, and then I'm going to paste in the video. And then if I go ahead and grab the URL that I want people to click on, I can go and paste that into the button URL and then create the page. Now, if we have a quick look at this page by doing preview, this is what the page will look like. They can watch the video and then click on Get This Now, and it will take them to the page that I want them to go to. We can go ahead and edit it and then assign something called bonus groups. So if I go ahead and just select that and do update page, and now if I go back here and refresh, this will now show different bonuses. If we don't like the style of these bonuses, we can go out of here, go into content library, then groups, and click on edit. If you want to learn more about the bonuses and the content library of this tool, I'll leave the link in the description so you can go watch that first. But if you have already watched it, we can just go to layouts and I can change this to 2 columns and do update. I can even go and add a card shadow and update that. Now if we go back here, refresh, this is now what it will start looking like. I can even go into the resource tab, add another bonus, go back here, and in one click, that's now showing. When someone clicks on this, it will show the details of that bonus. Now, this is where this gets really interesting because we can go back into pages, click edit, and put a timer on this. So let's say the time of this video is 4 minutes, 37 seconds. Inside Clever Sales Tool, I can change this to, let's just say 4 minutes and do update page. So now if we refresh, there's a countdown now. People need to watch the video before this will unlock. And once the timer hits 0, all of the bonuses and the call to action will show. This can be used in many different ways and once they watch the video, they'll click on your link, but then the power of that conversion is out of your hands because you've now gone through the effort of warming them up. But when they are sent somewhere to someone else's products, they are now selling to them as well. And that can shift everything drastically. The wrong message, poor formatted website, all of those things out of your control if you're the affiliate. So instead of sending them straight to the product, you can send them to the Clever Sales page. If we click edit and remove the timer, they can be sent here where you can change this video to a bonus video saying, if you purchase this in the next 30 minutes, I'll also be gifting you all of these added bonuses. And then you can have your call to action link right here. It keeps the prospect hot. They're like, oh, I don't really care what's on the sales page anymore. I know what the product's about through your video. I know I'm going to be getting all of these added bonuses. So they're just going to go and buy. This gives you, the affiliate, a little bit more power when it comes to actually converting that traffic. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them below and I'll see you in the next video.